What's up, everybody? It's your boy ThermoClicks, and today we are playing Buckshot Roulette. Wait, one second. One sec. I was trying to record a little. But basically, this is a game I heard about before. I'm gonna say it's a bit old for now. Why did I kick it open? Damn. This music hits hard, bro. Why am I kicking open the door? Oh, who is that? Who is that? General release of liability. General release of liability? Why do I have to sign a waiver? What? I'm just gonna put in my real name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I'm just gonna put in my real name. H-A-R-S. Enter. Sorry guys, I have a bit of a cough, so my voice might be weird, or you might just hear. Oh, it's Russian roulette. I forgot. Please, bro. I'm cooked. I'm gonna say him, but I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. What? What? Did he just shoot me? Did he with the shotgun? He just shot me with the shotgun, bro. That's it. Him. Oh. Why is his face different? No, he's gonna point at me. Dang. Oh, let's go. Go, bro. Wait, there's 3 rounds? What? How are we still alive, bro? A little more interest. 2 items? What? Soda and a cigarette. Why is there cigarettes and soda? Wait, is that soda? No, this is beer. Look. Shotgun. Oh, it's a beer. Never mind. Okay, please. Dang it! I'm dead. What did that do? What? I need to see what these items do. Okay. Sorry guys, remember I've got handcuffs. Okay. Okay, first I want to see what this does. Oh, it gives me an extra life. That's cool. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Are you kidding me? I am going to crash out. No. Oh, thank God. Why did the end get cut off though? That's why I'm confused why he does. Oh yeah, it does double damage. I forgot. Bro! It's unfair! He shot. Please be a cigarette box. Cigarette box? Oh, thank God. Okay. Cigarette box. Okay. Cigarette box. The handcuffs have just. Oh, these cuffs next to me. Oh, that's so weird. I feel confident in this one. To be honest, I feel kind of confident. I feel confident on this one. Can I shoot him? Damn it. What do you mean? No. This is rigged. This is rigged. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Finally! Finally! Please give me a cigarette box, bro. Cigarette box, please, 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 please. I'm just gonna, wait, if it's alive, then I'm dead. Shoot. I'm gonna do dealer. Yeah, if I did myself, I would be dead. Okay, I'm gonna use the beer, sorry. Let me increase. Cigarette box? Ooh. So that's good. Okay. What does this magnifying glass do? It checks what moves in the chamber. Okay. So if I put this on myself, I'll get another turn, right? See? I'm gonna use this one again. I'm gonna do it again. Okay. I can tie us. then. So this is life or this is life and death. No. He's gonna kill me. He's going to kill me. Yep. I'm dead. Yes! Oh, thank God, it is life and death. It is life and death. Thank you. Thank you. Wait. I'm gonna be here. What's this do? Did I just do that? Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't. Thank God. I can't. 2 cigarettes. No, this one's gonna be rigged. This one's gonna be rigged, bro. I'm taking it. Why can't I just take all the cigarettes, bro? He's dead. Okay. Yes! Oh, I forgot. Wait, I'm on the second round? Or third round, sorry. No more for defibrillators and no more blood transfusions. Me and you are dancing on the edge of life and death. Okay? 4 items. What? Okay. We have 6 lives. Okay. Please, bro, please. Out of all the chances! We all know it, bro. Okay. I'm not gonna use my cigarette box yet. Nice, nice. Dude! Dude, that's crazy! How did I get the same exact weapon? Okay, magnify. I'm gonna magnify to see if it's worth handcuffing him. It is not, indeed. That's all. Okay, so I'm gonna do a magnifying glass again. It is not worth myself again. Out of all the chances, yes. Okay, I'm gonna handcuff him. Handcuff. I'm gonna use a saw. And I'm gonna shoot this big back. Please. Are you kidding me? No. Let's just do it. So I'm gonna take a cigarette because I'm gonna do it one more time because God knows I might have a chance on this one. Please. Are you actually kidding me? Bro, he has like 5 saws. He has like 5 freaking saws. I'm gonna handcuff him again. It's not even on his hand, bro. I don't know. I forgot he has a cigarette. No, he's gonna use a cigarette. He's gonna use a cigarette. No. No. Bad boy. No. Bro. God, that's scary, bro. He double-barreled me. He just double-barreled me. Okay. 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 This might be useful. I think I should use the cigarette box now. I'm gonna do this to see if I can use the handsaw. Okay. Handsaw? Okay. Handsaw. Okay. So, basically, I'm just gonna do this. Chick chick boom, buddy. But the fact he has like 4 saws is crazy. Yes, bro. No, bro. Hey, at least he's not gonna have any more cigarette boxes. Okay, now we all know he's gonna shoot me. He's gonna, if he aims at himself, blink. Yup, it's me. He's gonna shoot me. He didn't shoot me. Did he? I am going to kill him. I am mad. Okay. Which one will play? Come on, bro. Thank you. Thank you so much. Cigarette box. No. No. Please. I'm dead. Wait, unless I can use the handcuff on it. Okay. Magnifying glass. Blank round. Myself. Chick chick boom. Him. Yeah. It's me him though. Okay. Why do we break it though? There's no point. Okay. So he's gonna drink that. He's going to shoot himself, I guess. Okay. Okay. I might win this one. Are you ready? Okay. Rig this. Okay. Handcuff. Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna dealer. Boom. Why is there a briefcase? Oh. Okay. Money. Sweet money. Hehehe. Let's go, bro. Let's freaking go. Oh yeah, I'm bringing the shotgun with me, I guess. Congratulations. Shots fired, shots ejected, doors kicked, cigarettes smoked, milliliters of beer drink. Damn. Oh, well. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.